Hey everyone, welcome to App and Web Workshop. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add line breaks in Instagram captions. If you've ever tried to add line breaks or spacing in your Instagram captions, but they disappear after posting, there's a simple way to make sure the formatting stays exactly how you want it. First, open Instagram and start creating a new post. Select your photo or video, tap Next, and go to the caption area. To add line breaks in your Instagram caption, type your first sentence. Then tap the Return or Enter key on your keyboard. Press Return as many times as you need to create blank lines before typing the next part of your caption. Here's an important tip. Make sure there are no extra spaces at the end of any line before you press Return. If there are, Instagram may remove the spacing when you post. Only use the return key to create the line breaks. Don't use the space bar for spacing. Once you've finished writing your Instagram caption with the spacing you want, tap OK at top. Now share your post. The caption will be posted exactly as you formatted it with all the line breaks and spacing in place. And that's how to add line breaks in Instagram captions. If this tutorial helped, like and subscribe to App and Web Workshop for more Instagram tips and formatting tutorials. Thanks for watching.